The real deal with damn right. Hey, language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive deep into a very popular English phrase, damn right. Have you heard it before? Ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know all about it. First, let's break down the phrase. Damn is a word that can be used as an exclamation to express surprise, frustration, or emphasis. Right is often used to confirm that something is correct. When combined, damn right is a way of strongly agreeing with someone or emphasizing the correctness of a statement. Example, Person A, this ice cream is amazing. Person B, damn right it is. In this example, Person B strongly agrees with Person A's statement about the ice cream being amazing. Damn right isn't just limited to agreement. Here are a few different scenarios where you might hear or use the phrase. 1. Affirmation, when someone makes a statement that you strongly agree with. 2. The environment is something we should all care about. 3. Response, damn right. 4. Confirmation, when you want to assert the correctness of what you've just said. 5. It's going to rain tomorrow, damn right it will. 6. Emphasis on rights or justice. Sometimes it's used to emphasize one's rights or the righteousness of a situation. 7. I deserve to be treated fairly. 8. Response, damn right you do. While damn right is a popular and useful phrase, there are some situations where you might want to think twice before using it. 1. Formality. This phrase is informal. It might not be suitable for formal settings like business meetings or when talking to someone you don't know well. 2. Overuse. Like any phrase, it's best not to overuse it. If you keep saying, damn right, too often, it might lose its emphasis and impact. 3. Cultural sensitivities. Remember, damn can be considered a mild swear word in some cultures or settings. Always be mindful of your audience. There you have it, folks. Damn right is a powerful and versatile phrase to emphasize agreement or correctness. Use it wisely, and it can be a great addition to your English vocabulary arsenal. I hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase. Keep exploring and stay curious.